Hi, I'm Barbara. Welcome to Bee's Kitchen and Garden, where I share with you successful recipes and gardening tips. This is a gardening segment. We're going to talk about harvesting potatoes, tomatoes, and broccoli. But first, I have a cute short video for you I can't resist including. It's very difficult to get baby turkey chicks on camera. The mother hen turkey keeps them so well hidden, always in the grasses, never exposing them because of course we have predators here like raccoons, wolves, foxes, fishers, also known as fisher cats, eagles, and others. So she keeps those baby chicks, especially when they're small, well hidden. And they of course stick very close to mom. I had seen this hen with her chicks run across the road once before. So I thought I saw the same turkey standing next to the road in the grass. I pulled over, turned off the motor, and waited for her to feel comfortable. Sure enough, after a little while, she looked around and scurried across the road, her baby chicks in tow. So first there's a short clip of baby turkey chicks crossing the road. Then we'll talk about harvesting potatoes, tomatoes, and broccoli. Harvesting potatoes is so much fun. It's like finding buried treasure. You never know how many potatoes there are going to be under each plant, and you never know how big or small or medium, what size they're going to be. So I love harvesting potatoes. When the stems on the plants turn yellow and start to bend over and die, the tubers are no longer going to grow anymore, so it's time to dig up your potatoes. So today we're going to harvest some of the potatoes we planted earlier in the year. Harvesting tomatoes is great fun. This year I planted red cherry tomatoes and yellow pear tomatoes, which are also small like cherry tomatoes. The yellow pear tomatoes are much less acidic, so a little easier on your stomach than the red cherry tomatoes. Tomatoes were actually first grown in Central America and Western South America. When the conquistadors came over into the Aztec Empire, they discovered the tomato plants and took some back to Europe. The Aztecs called them tomati. In Spanish, they were tomate. And now in English, we have tomato. While we're gathering our tomatoes, we often snack on them as we go. Absolutely delicious. So we'll see some harvesting of red cherry tomatoes and yellow pear tomatoes. Harvesting broccoli is very different than harvesting tomatoes because you have one big broccoli head in the middle of the plant. After you harvest that, there are smaller heads that will appear around the one that you've cut out, but it takes a while for them to show. So what you want to do is make sure you keep an eye on that one big head, and when it's time to pick it, cut it at the bottom and enjoy.